Synthetic, and here on the show today, I have my grandma with me, Yukiko Pehopa. Now today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to make this nice Ubatuba Granite piece right here, how to do this pattern. And we have our guest here, my grandma, to help us do this pattern. I'm going to be teaching her a bit of how to do this. Now, have you ever done this before?
No.
Yeah, so she's completely new at this, and anybody can do this. It's super simple. And also, Ubatuba, it's kind of named after a spot in Brazil. You've been to Brazil, right? You've been to Ubatuba?
Yeah, I was born and raised in Brazil. I have been to Ubatuba.
Nice. Well, the process is easy, and I'll show her how to do it, and I'll show you how to do it. That's coming up. So what we're going to do here is we're first going to mist this over with our isopropyl alcohol base mixture, and then we're going to go over so that way those will dispel nicely onto here and they won't just stay as stagnant dots. It'll be a mixture of both dots and sort of this spread out effect, so that way it looks more realistic.
Yeah.
First, now what we're going to do, this one we don't need to shake because it doesn't have any metallics in it. The other ones we'll need to shake. You always want to make sure you test it out here. So. Okay, this one's more of a spray. Those ones will want to be more of a, a spray jet. This one, spray works because it's just supposed to go up here. So, you want to?
Just
kind of do it on.
okay.
Yeah,
That's
good
it.
job. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Quick make one do a little. There we go. Okay. We grab our green first. Then we'll shake it. Make sure it's coming out, coming out, coming out.
Forest green.
Yeah, this is rainforest green. Yeah, see how that's coming out right here? So there we go. And
Just sprinkle here and there.
yeah, you see we just get these slight chirps. See how that's barely a touch like that? Just kind of. You can try.
Do I have to take it too?
No, you don't have to.
Like that?
Yeah, like that. Good job. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, and I'm just gonna put some more of this so that the two of them kind of tighten that. Yeah. Gonna mist this here.
So we'll spread
Yeah, so
these
now,
ones that are kind
yeah, so now put kind of some more there, just a slight.
of like that.
Yeah.
This is it.
Tighten this a little bit more. And
Do we spray?
yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, sweet. Like you.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. You don't have to be professional.
Oh, the alcohol kind of sprays it.
Yeah, the alcohol spreads it.
More?
I think I'm gonna just adjust it slightly so it's a little bit more of a jet now. Just having a variety of this.
Variety.
Let's see how it goes. Oh, that's not bad. You just need to make sure that you do it slightly and you kind of do it from above. Let's see.
Spray.
Yeah, I'm kind of trying to find a good in between, There we go. I think that's a good in between, right? And I'm gonna reapply this. Let's pause here and review our recipe for our Ubatuba Granite. First, we're going to paint over our MDF with our base of Broadway black, and then we're going to get a bottle of just pure 91% isopropyl alcohol, and we are going to spray it over the board itself, so that way the next sprays will just dissipate and fracture onto there really nicely instead of just staying in place. Then we're going to get our rainforest green and gold metallic mixed with isopropyl alcohol, and we are going to spray it onto the board in a nice pattern with some of the black still showing through. Then, once that's all dry, we go over it with our epoxy, spray it all over with black gloss spray paint, and then we refracture it again with rainforest green and gold metallic. So I'm just gonna sort of see, and sort of lift it up from afar. Here. Okay, and then we get our gold. Just sort of shake that up. Place that on the side like this. Sort of, let's see how that comes out. It's sort of coming out as a spray, so that makes it a little bit more of it. There we go. Now you can just sort of do that, and then just sort of
Bump high.
Yeah, bump high. And then just.
Oh, maybe I'm too sharp. Is that okay?
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good. Look what we did here.
Yeah. You don't need any more alcohol, so.
I think it's good for alcohol on top.
Okay.
So we've got our epoxy here. We've mixed that with a drill for about 2 minutes. Now we're just going to pour that out over our board, and we are going to further mix that with our trowel, just back and forth. Then once that's done for a little while, we trowel out by just dragging our trowel over the top of the board, the epoxy evenly across all surfaces of the board, making sure it runs over a little on the sides. Okay, is that good? Okay. So brush time. See, now it's soaked up all of that, so that way it won't soak up some of this. You just kind of do this to make sure that it's monitor.
Just from the time like this.
Yeah. Open it the heart. Good job. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. Like that. It's kind of like a cake, you know, you just get it processed in. So you want to put it together. You want to do it with this part. This is the part that has all the epoxy. Where it's good medium. It's just nice and slow. See how that's clearing up? How that used to be foggy? It's foggy because those are actually all a bunch of tiny little bubbles. Spray paint here. So what we're going to do is sort of put it, feel for how that goes inside, right? And then we're going to do this pretty strong thing. You want to try?
Just cover the whole thing.
Yeah.
Make sure it's from a little bit of a distance. Okay. Squeeze. That's right. And keep going. Right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now this part we're gonna okay, here you go. Now it's time to do this. Watch. Go ahead. Oh, you can do it again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Yeah. See?
More?
And then it keeps moving.
Do I do more?
There's whether to do more or not.
Some spots that it's not as low.
Yeah.
And that one wasn't anybody's fault, just so you know. Kind of getting round. You can see it's a little bit rounder. That's fine. It's just something that the chemical does sometimes. And now that I've tapped it, it'll just go back here and turn it into something else.
Well, I had a lot of fun on that project. This project came out great. It has a very interesting effect in it. If you lift it up to the light on one way or another, it kind of shifts color depending on how it looks. It can either vary from being a mostly green board to being a mostly gold board, and that's a really interesting effect. Do you have a lot of fun?
Oh yes, that was really fun.
Okay, so if you like our content and if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe and comment below and share this with all your friends. And from all of us here at Stonethetic,
Built by you, built for less, built to last.
and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching!